I think, again, with an application-based focus, a lot of the things that we see as challenges have already been mentioned, but I'd like to drill down on just the interdependencies a little bit more. I think what we're seeing, in step one, moving an application from being hosted in a data center to hosted in a cloud. The dependencies, what other applications does that one rely on to get the job done? Something as simple as authenticating to that application. Where do the certificates live? How do I get a path to the authentication database back to then the application, and then from the application to the data that supports the app? That time and distance problem is something that's very real in physical data centers, and in our history of managing that thing over the last 30 years, we are seeing that same kind of issue as we migrate to the cloud. Data, application, associated applications, authentication databases, all of those create paths across networks, and those paths have varying distances. And the user, if not properly managed, will suffer from a performance perspective. In some cases, central IT will lose visibility into what the user is doing from a device into a SaaS application or a cloud resource if it's not funneled through a cloud portal or a centralized digital workspace. So the challenges associated with making sure that the application and all of its dependencies are accounted for in a migration to the cloud is probably the biggest one that we've seen.
Yeah,